Hi, my name is Linda Miner, and I'm a registered nutritional counselor. In this presentation, I will be asking the question, can we reverse aging? We will specifically be talking about stem cells and telomeres, the new science of anti-aging. What is a stem cell? A stem cell is a single cell that can either replicate itself or differentiate into many cell types. Stem cells are the building blocks of the body. When a disease or injury strikes, these stem cells respond to specific signals and set about to facilitate healing by differentiating into specialized cells required for the body's repair. That is, provided they exist in sufficient numbers and received the correct signals when disease or injury occurs. When they do not, the end result is an inadequate or compromised healing response. This also relates to the healing process we all go through. The stem cell numbers decrease, as does the plasticity of the stem cells. This results in the inevitable aging of our bodies. Stem cell therapy can slow and rejuvenate aged tissue. There are two types of stem cells, embryonic stem cells. A blastocyte is a pre-implantation embryo that develops 5 days after the fertilization of an egg by a sperm. It contains all the material necessary for the development of a complete human being. There's a lot of controversy around the use of embryonic stem cells, so more and more research is being done using adult stem cells, which are hidden deep within organs surrounded by millions of ordinary cells and may help replenish some of the body's cells when needed. Bone marrow and adipose tissue, also known as fat, are sources of adult stem cells. How do stem cells work? An adult stem cell has the potential to become any of 220 types of different cells in your body. In your brain, it can differentiate into a healthy new brain cell. In your kidney, it can become a healthy new kidney cell. And in your liver, it can turn into a healthy new liver cell. By enhancing your stem cells, you can revitalize and rejuvenate your heart and brain, your lungs and arteries, your hands, knees, hips, and other joints, your skin, your vital organs, and anything else that needs healing inside your body. Adult stem cell advancements. Adult stem cells were once believed to be more limited than embryonic stem cells, only giving rise to the same type of tissue from which they originated. But new research suggests that adult stem cells may have the potential to generate other types of cells as well. For example, liver cells may be coaxed to produce insulin, which is normally made by the pancreas. This capability is known as plasticity or transdifferentiation. The promise of stem cell research is vast. We hope it will help to identify drug targets and test potential therapeutics, to be used for toxicity testing, for tissues and cell transplantation, to study cell differentiation, and for understanding prevention and treatment of birth defects, plus a whole variety of other potential uses that are still being uncovered by scientists. The potential use of stem cell is limited only by the human body and the different types of diseases that we can develop within our body. Stem cell treatments have proven effective in conditions where other treatments and therapies have failed. In addition, many people consider stem cell therapy to be at the forefront of preventative medicine and achievement of optimal health. What is the difference between fat stem cells and bone marrow stem cells? Because of the increased simplicity of fat harvesting versus bone marrow aspiration, the use of autologous adipose or fat tissue is gaining popularity. The yield of stem cells from adipose tissue is 500 to 1,000 times more than with bone marrow. Scientific research has found that a sample of peripheral blood contains about 10,000 stem cells. Bone marrow contains about 50,000 adult stem cells, and of those, only 25 to 50% are mesenchymal stem cells. Adipose tissue yields an incredible 10 to 60 million stem cells per sample, and 95% of them are mesenchymal stem cells, capable of differentiating into various cell types that repair the body. Mesenchymal stromal stem cells appear to be one of the body's ablest tools for self-repair. Adipose-derived mesenchymal stem cells, therefore, have the potential to become muscle cells, cardiac, nerve, bone, cartilage, fat, or liver cells. There are various potential uses for stem cells: reconstructive, wound healing, body sculpting, protective transformation, change of lineage, change of distribution, therapeutic, pharmaceutical, and genetic. Stem cell treatments are available for the following conditions. The following conditions have responded well to stem cell treatments. Most of the following conditions are degenerative. Treatment success is often measured in terms of improved quality of life by slowing the degenerative effects. Here is one example of a process of using stem cells. A small amount of fat is taken from your waist area. Then using centrifugal force, the stem cells are separated from the fat cells. The cells are then activated with natural proteins and returned to the body through IV in this situation. In this situation, they are returned directly by injecting the stem cells into the scalp to help rejuvenate and repair hair follicles. In this example, the activated stem cells are injected directly into the joint for joint pain. Another process that has been developed by Dr. Nathan Newman is an adult stem cell facelift. He calls this cutting-edge cosmetic surgery without cutting. These women all had fat cells harvested from their own body and then injected back into their face for a surgery-free facelift, and the results are amazing. Dr. Nathan Newman has also performed stem cell therapy on post-cancer patients who need reconstruction. Here is an example of a gentleman who had cancer in his jaw. The jawbone was partially removed, and the stem cell therapy was able to help that jawbone regenerate. Dr. Newman has also worked now in cooperation with Jeunesse Global to develop a skincare line that contains this adult stem cell technology. Dr. Newman is on the advisory board for Jeunesse Global. These stem cell products have produced amazing results as follow on the next few pages. These people have all applied the Luminesce adult stem cell skincare products to their skin with amazing results. We see improvements in acne, rosacea, wrinkling, dark circles under the eyes, repairing of burned skin, reducing sunspots, age spots, reducing circles under the eyes, and other skin conditions. And here are more examples of people who have seen tremendous results from using the topical application of Luminesce's adult stem cell skincare. Now let's talk about turning back time and reversing the aging process by activating telomerase. That's the role of telomeres. The ends of DNA strands are called telomeres. These telomeres are like protective caps on our genes, containing the essential chromosome information inside. Telomerase is a medical breakthrough. The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2009 went to these three scientists for the discovery of how chromosomes are protected by telomeres and the enzyme telomerase. Unraveling a cellular mystery. The Nobel Prize went to scientists who described the workings of the telomere, which help protect cells from age-related damage. How do telomeres work? Telomeres seal off the ends of chromosomes, which contains the cell's genetic information. As cells replicate, telomeres can fray, allowing chromosomes to become damaged. This becomes increasingly common with age. Scientists discovered a protein called telomerase, which contains telomeres, keeping chromosomes intact longer. How does telomerase work? It works by adding back telomeric DNA to the ends of the chromosomes, thus compensating for the loss of telomeres that normally occur as cells divide. TA65 activates telomerase. TA65 is a small, all-natural molecule that is isolated from the astragalus root and is a proven telomerase activator. Jeunesse Global's Finity product contains TA65 along with other antioxidants. TA65 activates telomerase. It is the king of anti-aging supplements and is scarce. available only in limited quantities as it is derived from a specific molecule found only in one type of astragalus plant in one small area of China. TA65 is the only supplement of its kind with human trials and has unequivocally been shown to do exactly what it says it does, turn on telomerase and lengthen telomeres. No other supplement has been tested in this way, and no other supplement can do this. According to studies on telomerase activation, telomerase lengthens short telomeres, repairs DNA damage, rejuvenates aging immune system, increases bone density, improves biomarkers that decline with age. Finity contains TA65 and antioxidants. The Genesse Finity product contains a powerful combination of antioxidants that protect our cells, DNA, stem cells, and telomeres for oxidative stress. It's a source of natural nutrients that helps maintain our body's adult stem cells, supports our natural rejuvenation system, and supports the maintenance of our natural DNA repair mechanisms. Oxidative stress will shorten telomere length and cause aging in cellular tissue. Antioxidant supplementation can potentially reduce oxidative stress very effectively, which will ultimately improve oxidative defenses, mitochondrial function, reduce inflammation, and slow vascular aging. Targeted supplementation is key, as antioxidants work synergistically and must be balanced to work most effectively and avoid inducing a pro-oxidant effect. Increasing antioxidant capacity at the cellular level is critical to maintaining telomere length. Recent studies suggest that a high-quality balanced multivitamin will also help maintain telomere length. Specifically, studies have linked longer telomeres with levels of vitamin E, C, D, omega-3 fatty acids, and the antioxidant resveratrol. In addition, homocysteine levels have been inversely associated with telomere length, suggesting that reducing homocysteine levels via folate and vitamin B supplementation may decrease the rate of telomere loss. Similarly, conditions such as cardiovascular disease, insulin resistance, diabetes, hypertension, atherosclerosis, and even dementia affect telomere length. Correcting subclinical nutritional deficiencies that may contribute to such diseases is crucial for telomere maintenance. Finity contains the TA65 along with the following antioxidants: coenzyme Q10, pomegranate extract, fucoidan extract, purslane extract, beta-1,3 and 1,6 glucan, quercetin, L-carnosine, turmeric extract, mixed tocotrienols, tocopherol complex, trans-pterostilbin, N-acetylcysteine, vitamin B6, B12, folate, and vitamin C. Can we reverse aging? Well, Genesse is behind the science of youthful aging. They are introducing innovative products to market such as Finity and Luminous, which will help to improve our stem cells, improve our telomeres, give us a longer life and a better life. If you're looking to look better, feel better, live a longer, healthier life, then you need to look at Genesse. Please visit my website at lindaminer.genesseglobal.com. And if you want to learn more about the research behind these products, you can also visit lindaminer.ca. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for your attention.